Hey guys, it's Kyle with Aero Equipment here. I'm going to show you a build we did for a large machinery dealership. It's a brand new F600 Super Duty with the 6.7 diesel, the 10-speed automatic transmission. We've set it up with our 11-foot aluminum service body and our Cobra 6800 fully hydraulic crane, which is run from our VMAC 6-in-1 multifunction unit on the passenger side. In the first cabinet here, we've got it set up with a full stack of aluminum drawers. So we've got the whole VMAC control module here. You can operate all your functions from there. And then we've got a Samlex 3000 watt inverter right beside it if you need to charge any of your power tools or anything like that. And then in the driver's side too, we've got it set up with a couple adjustable shelves and some pull-out drawers at the bottom. All the drawers are lined and lock in, lock out. And then we've got a S-bar diesel heater up there with a thermostat. So this whole side is all vented from box to box, so that heater will heat the whole driver's side. And then moving on to the wheel well compartment, we've got your air regulator and filter up there. And then down below, we've got it set up with a nice work surface. So when it's raining, you got a nice bit of shelter above you. And then right above it, we got it set up with bolt bins and drawers with dividers. And then coming around to the rear cabinet, we've got a bit going on in here. So we've got your air reel, which is accessible from the back through that hatch door. So you've got all your air right there. And then we've got it set up with a waste oil pump and a diverter valve. So you can use your reel here. You got a 50 foot of hose so you can suck and then push the fluid out as well. And then coming into the galley, we've got the half height barn doors. So we've got it with some J hooks and some tool holders, and then up at the front is your waste oil tank. So it's a nice slim design, so you maximize your galley space. It's got the 3-piece sliding roof on the top as well. And then got a vise with a cover as well, 6-inch vise. Moving around to the passenger side, we've got it set up all your weld controls here. Your whole module is all there, and then your fuel pump to run your diesel multifunction unit is right there, accessible if you ever need to get to it. Your pump is there. Across the wheel well, we've got a couple more deeper drawers in the shelf with some bolt bins, good spots for storage. Up front here, we've got the very front, we've got another stack of drawers, some deeper ones and some shallower ones. Good extra space for tool storage. And then we've got the bottle holders here with the hose holders as well. The one thing to note on these bodies is instead of having pins like the friction pins, they've got a roller latch, so your doors will stay tight. They don't wear out. They just stay tight. They stay sealed. No dust coming in. So that's a nice feature on these bodies. And then the only other feature I'll show you is the master lock. So this one twist lock locks the whole passenger side. Same on the driver's side. So just flicker down and it's a secondary lock. Other than that, it's a pretty standard truck, and thanks for watching with us.